If you are still chasing meme coins that have already pumped 2x or 5x, then you are leaving life-changing money on the table. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how I use DexScreener to find Solana meme coins at 10k to 500k dollars market cap before they explode to 20 or 50x profit or even 100x profit. This is not about getting lucky. This is a repeatable systems using specific filters, market cap analysis, and chart trading that separate the 2x coin from the 100x genes. By the end of this video, you will never look at DexScreener the same way, and you will be able to discover low MCAP meme coins that is capable of doing massive return. If this sounds interesting to you, do well to hit the like button, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and don't forget to also turn on your notification bell so that you do not miss out on our subsequent videos. Also, if you are yet to join our Telegram channel and group, then you are missing out a lot. You can simply use the below link to join in order to have access to premium information that can make you life-changing money, which you normally share on our Telegram channel. And you have the opportunity of meeting like-minded who are also discussing on how to make money or sharing ideas in the Web3 space. Without wasting much of your time, let's jump straight to the tutorial.
All right, guys. First and foremost, what we want to actually do is we want to go to, since what we want to do is to look for a strong coin that is capable of doing 10x, 100x profit for us. So that means we are not trading coins that will pull. So we are trading coins that have high chances of doing 10x, and those are coins that have survived. Right? They survived multiple days, okay, and they have enough volumes and liquidity. And how do we go about all of these coins? So those kind of coin now, it's not like some of them cannot die, but at least to some extent they will give you rest of mind compared to the ones you just play trade on. But the other side of it is that you have to be patient for price to come to your entry. So how do we get all of those coins and how do we go about it? Now, first and foremost, we want to configure our filter, right? And the filter for that, I'm going to be giving you guys here for free. But then even the knowledge you're going to get here, the knowledge you will get from our Memecoin course will actually really help you in anything you do in all around Memecoin space. So I would strongly advise that you come and enroll, or you get our Memecoin course, not because of for anything, but because you will really, the knowledge you will get there will help you generally when it comes to Memecoin. And for those of you that have already gotten the course, yeah, I know that you are watching the 2026 version, but then if you still have time, maybe in your free time, you can still go through the 2024 version, which is also inside that folder. Okay, that will really help you too. You can, even though that was old version, but there's still one or two things you might gain that will still be of help if you pair it with the 2026 version. Okay, but then the 2026 version is the best and the updated version. So what we want to do here, we'll go to DexScreener. So I won't be doing this on mobile. So because I believe the first video I did already showed you guys how to use filter on mobile. So any filter we do here is the same thing you go and do on mobile. So any filter I'm going to be doing now regarding Memecoin trading is going to always be on PC. So you have to ensure that you watch the previous video, which I did show how to go about it on mobile. So there's no point going to mobile again. So you come to filter here. So in case you are not seeing your filter, just swipe this thing here. You should see your filter here. Click on it. Then everything remains unchanged. But then I think everything remains unchanged. But I think unlike the previous listing, if you wish, you can decide to remove Raydium, because I've realized that most Raydium coin don't have their liquidity locked. So you leave some pump swap. Or you can leave the two, but then always ensure that liquidity is locked. Okay. So now once you're done, you want to use this configuration. Okay. Ensure you use this configuration. It is very, very important. Okay. So liquidity should be minimum of $80,000. Yes, $80,000 liquidity. I've already done all this. So liquidity should be minimum of $80,000. Okay, because anything below it is risky for what we want to do. Okay, because we want the coin to have enough liquidity. Liquidity is what gives the coin its actual values. Okay, so liquidity should be minimum of $80. Don't put anything in the maximum. Okay, maximum could be anything. So always please ensure that liquidity is $80 minimum, because anything below it is risky. And at the same time, anything above 500 thousand dollars liquidity too honestly show that the token is crowded. Okay, so that's just the thing. So you can put liquidity to be maybe $80,000 and cap the maximum liquidity to be 300,000. Okay, 300,000 as maximum. The reason is this: we don't want our liquidity to be, to be greater than 500, because if a liquidity of a coin is $500,000, it simply means one thing. For a liquidity of a coin to be $500,000, bro, that means that coin, it don't blow already. That means the coin is gone. It has pump scatter. All right, the coin has pump scatter, because some of this coin you will be seeing that will make us our 10 or 100x potential. You see that some of them, their liquidity, you might be seeing 89,000, 182,000, 200,000. Okay, so for it to now, you will hardly even see 300, because if you see any liquidity that is 500,000, 300,000 or more, that means that coin don't blow. It has gone. You know what? 300,000, $500,000 is liquidity, is what give value. It's as if we are depositing money, for example, inside a box. We are all depositing money inside a box, and the total money we've deposited inside that box is $500,000. You know how much that one is? That's $500,000. So in Nigerian currency, that is about 700 and something million naira. Shey you get? That means we've all saved total. That is what we contributed total of 700 and something million. That's what it means. So if a coin could have such, it means the coin has gone, right? So please, the maximum liquidity should be 300,000, because we don't want it to be even the 300,000. It means the coin said still don't go, because you will hardly see, because the coin don't go. We want to catch it on time, but when liquidity is still 80, 100, 120, it's still okay. The market cap will still be maybe relatively cheap. Okay, so that is that. So now the next thing you want to set is our market cap. Okay, your market cap should be minimum of $500,000. Yes, $500,000. And you yourself, you can decide to reduce the market cap to $200,000, honestly. But it's always good if the market cap is $500,000. But then, because if you put it at $500,000, you are likely not to see some coin. Some coin will disappear. All right, some coin will definitely disappear. So, what we can do, some coin will definitely disappear, because if you look at some coin, if you look at some coin, you see that some coin usually have market cap of 250, 300 easily. Shey you get? Some coin usually have 200, 300 easily, but market cap should be at 500,000 as minimum. Then maximum market cap should be as 100, as 10 million. Okay, because if you have market cap within 500,000, that means that is a sweet spot now, right? That is a sweet spot. It means you are still early. Okay, and it means the coin is already validated. But then, please play around this market cap. Okay, when I say play around this market cap, but ensure that you do not go below 250,000. At least you can still reduce your own to 250,000 minimum. Okay, leave this 10 million max. So I'm still going to be playing. I'm still going to be playing around this market cap. I will still reduce, slash it by 2 to 250, so that you can see it. Okay, so that is it. But recommended is 500,000. But it's just that you will see few coins. Okay, but you can try to play around it by reducing it to maybe minimum should be 300,000. Because I give you this thing doesn't mean you should not play around it. But there are things you should not play around. Don't play around liquidity. Leave it the way it is. Okay, leave it the way it is. But you see this market cap, can play around it, and the one you can play around is minimum. And no matter how you are trying to play around the minimum, please don't go below 200,000. Don't go below $200,000 market cap. Okay, don't go below $200,000 market cap. I'm begging you. So don't go below 200,000, but you can still stay to 250. And peer age 24 hours minimum. Okay, peer age should be 24 hours minimum. It's very, very important. Okay, because this 24 hours removes most rocks. I told you that most coin die within 3 hours. So if a coin could survive 24 hours and the coin now have all of these criteria here, minimum of this criteria here, that means that coin is strong. That means you've been able to at least remove rocks, and that means you keep coins with proven survivor, coin that survive. Because for a coin to survive 24 hours and the coin is still having minimum liquidity of 80,000 and minimum market cap of maybe like 500,000, that means for 24 hours, that means the coin really did well. For coin to have that, that means the coin really pumped. Okay. So minimum peer age should be 24 hours and maximum peer age should be 720 hours, which is 30 days. Okay, this is 30 days. So we only want to trade coin we want to find coin within 1 day old and 30 days old. Okay. And what we want to do again is that the coin must have minimum 24 hours transaction of about 24. Okay, very, very important. It must have 20 transactions count of minimum of 300. Okay, minimum of 300. It is very, very important. Minimum of 300. Okay, so and what this would actually do for us is that it will help us confirm that there are real users trading this coin and not just fake volumes. Okay, that's what it will help us for. So it will let us know that see, real people are actually trading this coin and it is not bots or it's not fake people. It's not fake volume that is going on in that place.
Sorry to interrupt you, please. I also do want to remind you not to forget to hit the like button, and at the same time, don't forget to also click the subscribe button. And if you do not want to miss out on our subsequent video, don't also forget to turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on our subsequent videos.
Now the next thing is 24 hours volume. Now, 24 hours volume should be minimum of $150,000. Very, very important. You know that when we are trading intraday trading, we used to put our minimum at 70,000. But you see this one now, minimum should be 150,000. 150,000. Non-negotiable. Don't tweak it. Don't try to reduce it. Leave it there as 150,000. Okay. So what it's easily what this one actually means is that it means there's a real transaction, real activities going on with the coin, and the coin is not a dead coin. Because if a coin has minimum of 150,000 after 24 hours, still have minimum of $150,000 transaction volume. You know what we call volume is buy and sell. 150,000. You know, 150,000 is big money. That is millions in Nigeria. That is million. That's that is over 200 million naira worth of transactions within 24 hours alone. So it means yeah, the coin is still, good. Then 24 hours change, that is percent plus. So 24 hours change, minimum should be 5%. That means within that 24 hours, the coin must be able to pump. Maybe after 24 hours, the coin is still pumping by minimum of 5% in 24 hours, so a maximum of 80%. That means within that last 24 hours, at least, despite how the coin is, have done whatever the coin has done, be it start pulling back, at least the coin is still sitting at, it's still showing that there's a 5% or profit or maximum of 80% within that 24 hours. So this is really, really very, very important to avoid dead coin, because if a coin is dead, then you will not see that there's a green percentage of 5% or 80%. And at the same time, we don't want a coin that after 24 hours, the percentage is still sitting at 200%. That means the coin is over pumped. The coin don't over pump. So us now trying to want to buy the coin, we might end up losing our money, right? But then even with that, we won't still lose our money anyways, because we are not just jumping on the coin now, right? We are still going to be using our FIB tools to determine premium and discount level. But then you want to ensure that the 24 hours change minimum is 5% and maximum is 80%. So what that will do is that will tell us that okay, okay, that means there's still some percentage of this thing in this coin. So like I told you, the ones you can play around with, don't play around this 24 hours, okay? If I don't want to play around this peer age, you can say 24 hours and 2 weeks. But I will advise you to leave it to the 30 days, okay? The only thing I say you can play around with here is this market cap. Just play around this market cap. The only thing you can play around with here is this market cap. Don't play around any other thing. Okay? Don't play around any other thing, but you can play around market cap. And market cap you should play around with is the minimum. Okay?
Sorry to interrupt you. I also want to remind you and let you know that hundreds of people have already joined our meme coin trading course, and the result absolutely speaks for themselves. Inside the course, you get the A to Z blueprint on how to trade meme coins profitably. But what people love most is our lifetime access to our meme coins private trading group, where I drop meme coin signals, review chart with members, and at the same time help members grow by trading with them in real time. At any time I add new class or lessons to the course, you get it automatically in real time without paying any extra. This means you qualify for every other future updates. You also have the chance of asking me questions or bringing your child for me to review, since I'm always in the group with every one of them trading bank coins. So if you're actually interested, you can contact me either through Telegram using the link that appeared on the screen, or better still, you can reach out to me on WhatsApp if you actually want to join our Memecoin paid group, if you want to have access to our Memecoin course and get added to our lifetime Memecoins trading group.
So once you are done, just click on apply. Right. When you click on, you can see when I click on apply, what did you see? You see this thing. So the next you can now do is you can now click on this volume. You can filter by volume here. Now here, if you click on here, you can filter by volume. The highest volume will be at the top, and you can still click on age. If you click on filter by age, you will see the age that is the age that is old will be on top. Then what you can now do from here is, let's say in a situation where you are giving many coins, you can then look for the first top 10. But then it's always better to be on the safer side, because it's always better to, you know, to top 10. You can look for top 10, okay? You can let the new ones with new age, few age be at the top, whichever one. But then you can filter by volume so that the highest volume will be at the top, right? So that means you are trading coin within the last 30 days. And you can see that based on my these are the three they gave to me. And why did you think they gave me the three? Because they met my filter and they met my minimum market cap. Okay, you can see their market cap 4.6 million, 2.4, 724. And you can see the age. This one, imagine this coin 2 days ago. Look at the market cap 4.6 million. You can see that now. This one now is telling you that, see, these are potential coins that they are real money entering it. And what their liquidity? Can you see what I was saying? This one 4.6 million. What is it? 182%. Buy this one with 2.4, $152,000 in liquidity, and this one with 720k, $90k in liquidity. Imagine. So you see what I was telling you. So I can see the percentage over 24 hours. We say minimum and maximum in 24 hours. You can see this is the 24 maximum, 11%, 7.81. This one's 26.61%. So in 6 hours alone, this one has done 25%. Right? This one minus zero, this one 9.84, this one in 1 hour alone, this one has done 3.65%, this one 4.23. So in 5 minutes, you can see, so it means there are still activities going on, and this coin is not there. Now, when we come to look at their volume, look at this volume right here. $2 million for this coin just 2 days ago, but despite that, 24 hours trading volume is still showing $2 million in the last 24 hours. People transaction has gone to, do you know what $2 million worth of transaction is in Nigeria? That is 2.8 billion naira worth of trading volume in the last 24 hours, not even 2 days, 24 hours. Buy this one, $956,000, almost $1 million, and this one, $550,000. You see, so these are nice coins that you know that, okay, oh, if you're analyzing them, I want to enter, your mind go there at peace. Say, not in the sub. Shey you get. Now you can see that one of them has disappeared. And why do you think that one of them disappeared? Probably maybe the filter we set, it no longer meet it. If you meet it again, probably maybe it's volume drop, or the market cap drop, or transactions drop, something of such, sir. You see them disappear and come. So that is it. But then you see it. But now, if I go back to this filter now, if I reduce this thing to 250, okay, 250. Let me reduce this into 50,000 as minimum. This market cap I told you can play around. If I click on apply, let's see whether we have more. Okay, so even with 250 market cap, we still do not have more, which means, um, you know, you see it. So that is just it. Okay, so that means what might actually be affecting these things. Sometimes, if you want to get more, is this 24 hours change first. Sometimes, if you remove this 24 hours change, let's see first whether it will still get more. If you remove this 24 hours change first, if you clear it out, let's see something first. You see that when we clear the 24 hours change more now, we're able to get more. Okay. So, but what does that tells you? Now, what that tells you, you start getting some radium. Look at this radium, this thing. Look at this radium. Now, I told you it's better we remove radium for our filter. Now, you can see the issue. It is better we remove our radium from our filter, because if you open this one of radium now, it's likely that the liquidity is not locked. So what we want to do is, we don't want to trade coin that liquidity is not locked. Can you see liquidity is not locked? So we don't want to trade coin that liquidity is not locked. So we want to only trade pump or swap. Now let's go back to our filter. Let's select this thing, remove radium, leave only pump swap, because every coin of pump swap liquidity is always locked if it has logo. Okay. Most people go and click on radium because they know that radium does not lock their own liquidity. So pump the swap is what you should leave. Okay, save it, apply. Okay, now you can see that now we only have pump plus, so I can see the logos, and you can see the age: 2 days, 14 days, 19 days, 17 days, 7 days, 7 days, 2 days. So you can see it, but you can see there are 5 minutes minus, 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 minus. But then it will give us much coin. All right, and there's something I want you to know. You see this thing here, this 100, this thing you see here, this boost. Any coin that have a boost, that means those people that is in charge of that coin that has money, because boost is expensive. Oh, okay. Okay, you can see that we now have many coins compared to before now. We don't have many coins. Spike, Bull, these guys. We now have many coins compared to before. Why? Because we remove the minimum percentage change. All right. So we remove the minimum percentage change, which is here, which is 24 hours percentage change. Because we remove it, right? So this 24 hours percentage change, you can remove it, okay? So that it will not hinder your distance. Just remove it. Okay, you can remove it, okay? So then just click apply. Don't need of units so that at least you still get some sort of coin. I know when this coin was pumping, but the issue with it is that you can see their market cap 1.4, 707. You see, although that's in the last 5 minutes, look at this one, not percentage, but transaction is still there anyways. You can see they are still have nice volume 167, 450, 1 million, 1 million. Okay, so it's still good. It's still good. Although that some does not have percentage change, but you can see these guys in 4 hours green, green, green. This guy is doing well. This makers, you can see it 24 hours, 6 hours, 1 hour, even 5 minutes. It's all green. This one 5 minutes, 1 hour. So, but then you can see this. So from here you can filter by age if you want. So the highest age you be at this, you can see this guy is 19 days ago. Brent crude 19 days ago, 17 days, 14 days, 7 days, 7 days, 2 days, 3 days. You can see it. So you can analyze if you have much of it, if they give you any day they give you much of it, you can definitely analyze um top 10. Okay. So but if you feel you want to sort by volume, you can click this. The one with the highest volume will be at the top. You can see the spike pixel. So you see 2 days ago, 14 days ago, 19 days ago. So the one with the highest volume will be at the top. You can see down to the smallest one. So now it is now your job to start opening them one by one.
All right, so before we actually proceed, I just want to let you guys know that if you are yet to get our Memecoin course, you are actually missing out a lot. The reason is that even though I give quality videos, you can see that I've been giving quality videos, I've been giving quality infos regarding meme coins and Web3 related tutorial, and you all can attest to it that when we started this Web3 journey, a lot of you, 90% of you have no knowledge about Web3 when we started around January, and currently I'm sure that you all now have much more knowledge on the Web3, and at the same time, you can also see that a lot of you, even from the free meme coins video I've done, has been able to make money, right? Now, for those of you that has gotten our course, you could see that there's a difference between the Memecoin course and the free course. You could also see that the Memecoin course is packed with high premium level of information, and from those who have watched it, I've seen people who after watching it, 24 hours after watching it, they've not even complete watching the video, and you've seen them making their money, like you can see on your screen. They made back their money, which they use in purchasing the course, while you've also seen some who have also made some money to do one or two things from what you can see from here, even though not many people coming out publicly to say what they made. I know that there's some people that are reserved and they are no more of the social type that comes out, but then you could see that some within the group are actually making money with the course, because there's no way you will get the course and you will not make money. There's no way. And you can also see this guy that bought the course and he was surprised that the market structure video in the Memecoin course is actually different from the one of the free videos, because definitely something is paid. You have to get value for your money, right? And one thing you all should have to know is that you are so lucky. For those of you that has gotten the course, you don't know how lucky you are to have gotten the course, because even though you are watching the 2023 version, which is the latest version, you could see that I have the 2024 version inside of it as well, which is an old one. If you have your time, which you can watch it. But one thing you should know is that you get it once and you get it forever, because anytime I make updates to the video, you will always be the first to get them, and you are not even paying anything from it. And that is not all. If there are also some vital important information that can be of help, you should definitely know that those with the course are the ones that are going to get that information first. That's just how it is. So which means if there's anything going on around meme coins, I will always provide infos to everybody with the Memecoin course. And at the same time, while the price is currently $50, which is discount, soon I'll be raising the price back to $100, which it was the former price. I just started to bring it down because I know that there are so many people that actually could not afford $100. So I had to bring that down. So if you've not gotten the course, I will advise that you get it before I raise the price. Not just only because that, but because you really learn a lot from it. You can't compare to the free videos. No, you can't compare with the free videos. That's just the truth. Even with my free videos, you could see people are actually making money with it, not to talk of the Memecoin course. Okay. And there are people that are dealing with it since 2021 and they keep on getting free updates. Okay. They keep on getting free updates. That means they do not pay for it. That is it. And once price goes back to $100, it's definitely not going to come down. All right. So if you've not gotten the meme coin course, it is better you invest in yourself now. It is not a waste. You could see some people have gotten their money back. Some people use the money to repair their laptops and to do some other things. It is only meme coin that can give you that quickly. I'm not saying other coins you are dropping will not give you that, but meme coins give you your daily profit. And one thing about the course is after you watch it, you'll be able to coin out your own knowledge, because with the knowledge you would have gotten, you will have complete knowledge about meme coins. And from there, you can even explore other blockchains. Okay, you all can see, for those of you that have completed the meme coin course, you could see that with the knowledge, you can use it to explore other blockchains such as Base Network, which I see some people do that, and some people coming into my inbox to give me a coin for them to check. Okay, that is what you stand to gain when you get our course, and you can't compare it with the free info. You can never compare with the free info. Anyways, if you're interested in getting our meme coin course for a discount fee of $50 before I raise the price back to $100, you can simply reach out to me on Telegram with the link that appears on your screen, or on WhatsApp with this number. Please, if you know you're not interested in getting it, please do not disturb my WhatsApp or Telegram. Do not disturb my WhatsApp line, or do not disturb me on Telegram. Please, this is for those that are interested in getting the meme coin course. But if you still cannot afford it, then you can definitely stick to the free videos and make money with it. Then, if you make money, then come and upgrade yourself, okay? So that you can build yourself, okay? You could see, I promise you all that you are going to learn a lot, and you could see that you are learning a lot. So let's continue.
There was one I discovered before I show you. I discovered this law. Look at this. Watch days ago. You see, this is 22 days ago. 22 days ago. You see, this is 22 days ago. And look at its volume. $3 million volume. Look at liquidity. 292. You see what I was saying? This coin is this coin is so strong and pumping scatter. Now, do you know the reason why this coin did not appear here? It did not appear here because of this filter here. See, our filter is minimum of $300,000. You see it? You see, our filter is minimum of $300,000. That is why it did not appear. But now, let's tweak our let's say we put our let's tweak our filter a bit more. Okay, let's just put 400,000. Okay, let's put 400,000 to be on the safer side. So our liquidity, our maximum liquidity, let's put 400,000. Click apply. Let's just put it at 400,000. You see that law will open. Do you see? And you see 22 days. Right, so you can see this coin is so strong. Look at market cap. So you see it. You filter by you filter by volume, and you can see that its own volume is sitting at the top. So you see that is number one. So just leave your liquidity. So at the end of the day, use this thing right here. Right? Use it. Okay. Use this filter. Liquidity minimum of 80, maximum of 400,000, market cap minimum of 250, maximum of 10 million, peer age 24, 720, 30 days, 300 minimum transaction, minimum volume 150,000, and that is all. Okay, then click apply. You see all these coins, see open law, see lol, you can see it now. You can see the age here, 22 days, 13 hours ago. Now, once this coin hits 31 days, it will no longer appear there again. See orders. Now, what you want to first check orders. Look at orders. What do you see here? 12,125 people for a coin in 20. So this to tell you that this coin alone, itself is, you know, it's already positions. If bull run should come, this kind of coin, you start seeing, you might see it at 100 million market cap, 200 million market cap. That's how you position, okay? Can see people are buying with big money, because this kind of coin gives you confidence. They've been trading 22 days ago, and you can see holders 12,922. You can see people are buying with real money. So you see, this one will give you confidence. Okay, top traders here. You see top traders. Look at it. This guy made. So you should know that money day coin. See top traders, $325,000. Now, for those of you with the meme coin course, to understand some of these things very, very well, if you have time, just go and watch the 2024 meme coin course. I explain some of these things. You might not need it anymore. If only what you want to be doing is intraday trading, the 2026 course is for you, it's good for you. So you just want to make money on a daily basis, want to make money on a daily basis. But if you want to buy and hold for long term, you might want to understand, some of these things. Okay. So the 2024 version that is inside the 2026 folder, if you have time, we'll watch it. Anytime you have time, knowledge is not too much, so that you'll be very, very good. because that one itself is a course, so it's not something I can explain on a free video because it's like a pack of course you get. So that's why I said $50 you are getting more value for it. So if you really want to enroll for a Memecoin course, you can reach out to me on tweet on Telegram, simple_J_FS. Okay, you've seen it on the video before at the beginning or on WhatsApp. Okay, so but then you can see it. All right, so if you click on these orders, you can see top 10 orders. Now, this one, I want to look at this top 10 orders. You can see this is number one. If you see this thing, this is liquidity. Okay, this is liquidity. Liquidity is holding 2.46%. This is liquidity. Okay, this is liquidity. Okay, so that is why. Okay, this is liquidity. Now, but look at from number two to the downside, you can see this first person is holding 1.54% of the supply, which is still okay. What we don't want to see, we don't want a single wallet to be holding about 5%, 6%, 10%. Run for your life. Oh. Right. But below 5% is still good. But I prefer they are holding 1 point something. But sometimes these guys can be dubious. So the top 10 can be them. Oh. It can be friends that share money. But then this coin has been really rich. It has proven itself for the past 22 days, 13 hours. Now, once you open this chart, the first thing you want to do is you want to go to 1 day. See this D, it's called 1 day. Because you don't want to be, because these are not daily coins that you want to be using 5 minutes, 3 minutes for. No, you can't use 3 minutes for them or 5 minutes. No, 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 no. These are coins that are spent maybe 24 hours. Imagine now go to 5 minutes or 1 minute. Look at how each child, you think it's from here you start. Omo, you go take, but that does not mean you cannot trade it here and make money. Oh. Maybe during our live section, you start understanding all these things. If I want to trade this coin in intraday trading, I'll go to 1 minute and the chart will be presenting itself for me like this, right? And I will make money this way like this because I'll be seeing everything right here from this perspective, okay? I'll be seeing everything from this perspective, okay? And I'll make money from this perspective, okay? So that is just it. Oh. Okay, the chart will present itself for me this way. Okay, and if I want to make money, I will just do it from the perspective of this play like this. That okay, oh, maybe this is where the coin starts from here. Oh, okay, oh, but that is it. Okay, so okay, you just be looking at it from this perspective that okay, it seems this is where the coin started from. This is the low. This is the low. You look at this is the lowest point and say okay, this is the highest point. Then you do a fee from here to here and wait for price to go up. That is if you want to trade it. But then because you are trading based on want to hold it for long term. So if you open this chart, it's 1 day you first come to. Then you click on this thing. Let me go back to this transaction. Now you come to this day, you swipe it very well. For the guy that was complaining in the group that is this thing is always close to this thing here, like this. It is because you did not move. You see it. If you're having something of such, just swipe this thing or swipe down, then move this chart away like this. You can see it so that there will be space for you can zoom in. All right. So you can see that from 1 day like this, you start from 1 day, see how this thing looks like on 1 day. But assuming we are trading a coin that is coin that is maybe 1 year, you can still use 1 day anyways, but then you can still go to 3 days. But then you can see that this guy is in 1 day now. You see this 1 day. Look at this. I mean, this coin has been pumping for 22 days. Even for the 22 days, this coin has been pumping. See. And if you watch my video last video I did, what did I tell you? I said you want to trade a coin whereby buyers overwhelm sellers. And how do you know? Small, small pullbacks. From this 1 day candle, what are you seeing? Small pullback 1, 2, 3. And for those of you that are with our main coin course, you know what all of these things mean. When you see things like this, you know what it means. So if you want to understand it, get our main coin course. But for the free videos I told you, look at the money they are using to buy this coin. People are really buying this coin with money. Okay, see money. People are really buying this coin. Okay. So now you can see this is small, small pullback, which means sellers overwhelm and buyers overwhelm sellers. Now, I told you that when price get to a certain point, you might see price makes a massive pullback, which that pullback is as a result of price want to come back towards to discount level. Because I talked about discount and premium, right? Let me reload this thing. Why is my tool not showing? Let me reload it. Let me reload it. People are buying with money. But this coin is 22 days and look at the market cap 7.9 million. Look at liquidity 390,000. Once this thing hit for $400,000, it will disappear from here. We will not see it again. It will disappear from here. Look at it now. See liquidity. Oh. I want you to always check again. Look at volume 3.2 million. Now, look at this is 5 minute volume. If you click on 5 minute volume, in the last 5 minutes, 6,800 transaction worth of transaction volume happened there. If you look at 1 hour, $116,000 volume in the last 1 hour. Now, one thing you should have at the back of your mind is look at 24 hours volume is 3.2 million. Now, if let's say 24 hours volume of a coin is maybe $500,000 or even 2.2 million, see, and 1 hour volume is like maybe 116 or 100,000. That $100,000 volume in one last 1 hour is stronger. Oh. What it means is in the last 1 hour, transaction that go on within that coin is $117,000. You know what that means? Do you know what that means? Do you know what that means? Ha! That means buy and sell that happen within just 1 hour alone, $117,000. So it's very, very powerful. Okay, you can check the 5 minutes, 7,000, 6 hours alone, see 6 hours volume alone. In the last 6 hours, $654,000 worth of transactions went on. Right. So why is all my tools not showing that? I will now start to be reconfiguring feed me. What is happening now? What the tools are showing here now? Why is this one not now showing? All right. So okay. So now, like I said, you want to go to 1 day. Okay. Then click on this to reset. Zoom in. Swipe up. Swipe down. Move it. Swipe very well. Now you can see all the pullbacks. See now what should you do? It's still the same thing. You bring out your fee because you want to measure your fib and see what has happened. Okay, if I bring in my fib, there's a guy that I saw in the group using fib. His fib 0.6 is up. Do you know why your 0.66% to 6% is up? Is 0.5? It is because whenever you draw your fib, you are drawing normal fib from top to bottom like this. See, your 100%, all right, is always up. See, so him e now have 0.786 up, 0.618, 0.5. Him e still go and turn on 0.3, 0 point something. Some people will not, some people you will tell some people to do something. I don't even know how people watch video. Maybe their mind is not there. Why would you watch video when your mind is not there? You shouldn't watch video when your mind is not there. Because why will you drop it like this? We are talking about premium and discount. You now go and invert your own premium and discount for fee. This is not trend-based fee now. Fib is different from trend-based fee. See the difference. See fib. Trend-based fee is what have this line up that seems it's separated like this. Why will you? Me, I'm using 0.6. I know that some of you are using percentage like this. Look at it, percentage like this. Is 100% go and be up in fib? No. Your 100% is supposed to be down. 0% is supposed to be up. If you thought you are using this percentage level, all right. So if you click your fib here, I told you some people I don't know. Video is the easiest thing to watch. You just watch and see what the person do. But man, we have different type of people in this world. When I saw that, I was just laughing. And the funniest thing is that his analysis on meme coins is correct too, but he's getting his fib wrong. But his analysis on those meme coins are correct, but he's getting the fib marking wrong. For me, for fib, I already told you, once you click on your fib, the first place you will tap on where the price starts from, which is this down. Once you tap on it, you will now move up. You see that it's 100% that will be there. You see it. Now move up, you see it. You see that there will be a gap. You see, you now put it at the edge, the top, where the price is currently, which is here. Now, to know whether I draw it well, you see that there will be a gap between this 50% and this top. From that, this gap here is the premium level. You can see it. You will now see all your this thing here. So it will now be 50, 61, 78, 100. For those of you using percentage. But me, I don't like percentage, so I will scroll down. It's the same thing, sha. Me, I will do value. It's the same thing. So your own now, if you are using value, number one will be down, zero will be up. That is how to use it. And what did I tell you guys before? I told you that you will see that price will now make drastic movement. See that I see the same strategy. Some people take free things for granted. Like someone is asking a group like teach them another confirmation, this thing more. I would like give you more. I've given you one this thing. If you know you want more, go and look for money and buy course now. Why do you just want free things for your life? Somebody has helped you teach. I will sit down and record video, teaching people for free. You still want everything, this thing to be free. That's why I'm trying my best. Because why? Even because the free ones I give to you guys, you people still don't, you still thinking that it is less value. You see the issue. That's why it's not good to be giving much value in the free things. That's why when I pour out my mind to give value in the free things, some people still think what I give is obsolete. You think it's not working. If you think it's not working, what I taught you. Now look at this one now. Look at this coin. Look at this coin. This coin is how many days? 22 days and this thing. The same strategy applies. When you come to one day, because it's the clearer charts now, the first thing first come to one day, then you map out your fib. Then look for your 0.61. I told you I don't choose 0.5 because most of the private breakers say 0.618 down. What did you see here? The price come to 0.618 and react or not? It did. Look at where the price got to. This price of this coin got to, see, it got to 12.90 million before. That's approximately 13 million before. It pulls down all the way to where? 4.5 million. You see it all the way to 4.5 million. So that you should see it. Because of what? See, all the way to what? 4.5 million. You see it. You see it. It came to 4.36 million. I already told you how to get this market cap USD. 4.36 million because that was the discount level. Because around this place, it was premium, it was too expensive to buy. I told you you cannot buy it. The same thing apply. Some people think I did not give them what works. Oga, this free stuff I gave to you guys, it works. This my fib settings I gave to you guys, it works. Because say I drop am free. Assuming say I just go and do abracadabra, I now market this one now as premium for you people, as paid for you people now. You people will think it's the right thing. Yet I still give it for free. Some people still think and this thing. So you see it now the price retrace. So now in this one, you don't want to buy at premium. Okay, you want to buy at discount. Now there's now one more thing I want you all to know is that you can tap your fib here, turn on this thing and give it 0.9. So at 90%. Okay. There's some coin that might want to fall 90%. I will give this one pop. See 90% here. See 90%. Sometimes always good. Sometimes you might be lucky. You see some coin that has fall 90%. Okay. So in this one day here, you now mark all this thing. Now, this is 1 day time frame. You can still turn on this 90%. Okay. 90% mean the coin has fallen 90%. Imagine we see a coin that 5, 10 days, 12 days, 30 days. You know, the coin now fall 30, 90%. And you now look whether is there a demand there, see this demand there. Below 90%. See it. Imagine a coin comes for 90%. You no go fear now because we're about at 90%, which is close to almost 100%. If the coin move a bit to our 0.5 trend base fib, let's say you draw your trend base fib like this to this point, the coin now move here. That's how many percent? 7.2 hour. And it might be that this place it came towards what? 500 and what? 76k, 576 market cap. And price now came to this almost 7 million. You know how many X you've made? You know how many X you've made? You've made over 7X of your money. That's what many people does not know. Right? But you can see, but then the first place you come to is one day. So from here, you will now go and map out your demand that is below 0.618 downward. Okay. Now you cannot one day you might not see the demand clearly. Sometimes you might see clearly, but then you will now start adjusting it from one day you go to 12 hours. Then from 12 hours, you go to 8 hours, you want it to be clearer. But the best thing is since you are using one day, at least our 4 hours should be should be you can go to 4 hours, 2 hours, 3 or 1 hour. You can see it. That's where you now start seeing your fib. And so that's when you start seeing your fib, okay? And what did I tell you? I said I like it when your fib is properly below 0.618, okay? It's not as if one is outside, one head is outside, one head is inside, one leg body is outside, one body is in. No. So in order to do that, sometimes you can still go to 2 hours and see you see it now. And the 1 hour now you can see coming to our 1 hour now. You can see coming to our 1 hour now. You can see below if you come to 1 hour, you can even zoom in, click on here to see full screen if you're on laptop. But if you're on mobile, you cannot see full screen. No. Now coming to 1 hour here, you can see that below this line down here is 0.618, right? You can see this is a break of market structure right here. And if you should look at your uh this thing here below here, see this demand there. Okay, see this demand there. See this is the last red candle that comes out. It comes out more than this guy. You can see this is the last red candle. And you can see it's sitting below the line. You can see it's actually sitting below the line. You can see it. His body is now outside it in 1 hour. You can see this is 1 hour time frame now. So that's what I'm saying, below 0.18. So that should be your first demand, which you should already know what demand is. Now look at it. See it below it. So was it a coincidence? No, now it is what I teach. So they cannot be coincidence if it works over every time. Most of the time. It's not every time, but most of the time it cannot be coincidence. Okay. So you see it, you now mark it, you mark all the demand below it because this is a break of market structure. You can't mark this demand because this one is indicated. This is the current demand that you can mark. Then you can see this one too. This is a break of market structure. Where is the last low here too? So for all these guys now, we don't care whether this one sit above, see, but then you can see this. Where is the last red candle down here? You can see after price came before the break of market structure up here. And this is the last red candle, this thing here. So this last red candle all to the down of this green. Okay. Now, some people get confused and say so, like this kind of thing. They might say it's mitigated. This thing is not mitigated though. It's still unmitigated. Mitigated means as we say price come after the break of market structure here. See it. Let's say this price now come back here. That's when you can say something has mitigated. Okay, but if something has not break market structure, maybe it's inside of it because price push away, can't still come back here. No, that is not mitigated. Mitigated is the one outside the break of market structure coming to come and touch it. Okay, you left your room to outside your gate, you can't come back. Okay, so you can see now this is another demand below 0.786. You can see this is another next demand. Okay, and this right here is a break of market structure again. So this is another demand again right here. This guy right here. This is another demand here right here that you can draw out. You can see in 1 minute we have many demand. And yeah, this is another demand here in below 0.9 here. See it, you can mark that out. We can see that this 0.9 region we marked in 1 day. We can see that, but in 1 hour we can see two demand here. This one, and we can see another demand from here, but that is not even an issue. So your own job is not to wait for price to come back there. Can give you the confirmation you need. Now the question I want to ask yourself is, do you want to buy and hold it for long term, or you want to buy and make money like we are doing on a daily basis coin? Because you can make money too like we are doing on a daily basis coin, but one thing you have to understand is that if you want to make money from it like that, it won't be fast. It won't be that day. For example, you can see that this coin now, let me come to 1 day for you so that you understand it and you watch this video very, very well. Okay. Right. So like I said, you can see that we filter by you know 1 day to 30 days. So you don't expect coin to just give you take profit within that day. It's not possible. So now, if you want to trade it based on that day, you can see you mark your demand below 0.61. You can now go to lower time frames such as 4 hours, 2 hours, 1 hour to properly mark your demand. And the one that falls below 0.61 day downward. So if price they act from it and give you a confirmation, then I just want to look for that confirmation 1 day. No, 1 day candle means each candle represent 1 day. You can see this candle now represent today until it close because I'm found that one open. So so now imagine I go to 1 hour now. Let's say you want to trade it, you want to make your profit quickly. You don't want to hold it for long time. You just want to make profit like you want to trade like with the way we are trading the intraday trading, the normal we see on a daily basis. Then well, you look for your confirmation, right? And what's the confirmation? Now you already know that it's a demand below 0.618 and you're waiting for price to react from it. Immediately you see that price touch it. Those that got accustomed to the confirmation they are looking for. But those that are using free confirmation, what did I tell you? I say you wait for it to do something like W. You see price came back there, push away. You wait for price to come back again. You say price come back again. You can see price come back again to form something like a W because you can see this red candle here. The last red candle, the price came back to touch it again. See it after price this last red, the price push away, price came back to touch the red again. Then it's still now push away, start showing green. Immediately show the green. Now you see price first push here, touch the demand, push away. After I push away, you wait. Price touch the red, this last red there again. Push away, show the green and now enter. Let's say you enter here. Then what did I say your stop loss can now be? Your stop loss will be below this low, this higher low of the demand. I can see this is 1 hour time frame. So your stop loss will be below here. And despite that our stop loss is still below here, you can see that it's still 20, we are still risking about 27.30% of our money, which is good, right? So I say your stop loss will be below here because if price is going to hold around this particular demand, it's not supposed to break below here. Okay, if it breaks below here, it has invalidated it. But then you have to understand we still have some demand there, what I told you. So, but then now remember that the essence of this video is to hold for long term. You want to make 10, 20x because believe me, this coin might still pump and come back here and even make more eyes. All right, it can even create more eyes. That is just the truth. Can still pump to 20 million. But this is a strong project with strong wheels are trading it. Now, it's now depend. But if you want to trade, say you want to make your quick money and get that based on what we do, no problem. But you have to understand that each candle here represents 1 hour. So 24 hours candle here is 1 day. So you can't quickly make money like the one. But one thing about this is that at least it will give you rest of mind. Because you see, say the coin don't take away the trade and it has enough volume and liquidity, your mind will be at peace. Okay. But then you in my next video, I will do a video on how to set stop loss and take profit automatically so that even if you want to trade it on a daily basis here, you can set a stop loss and go and sleep because you know that this one will take hours. Let's say you want to trade it on the intraday trading, you now bring out your gambos. Yeah, you can go back to your one day. You can stay on your 1 hour. You bring out your trend based fee brother, this one to this top, then to this place where you enter there. You can see this low here where you enter. Let's say you want to trade 50%. Okay, and where's the 50% here? Look at the 50%, which I know price will still come to 50%. Now look at the 50% around there. Look, see price came to maybe price take you in at around 5.24 million. Price almost came to 10.77 million. See it. That's about 105%. It when price came here, price already did about 100% of your money. See it. Price already do 100% of your money for you. That's if you want to quickly take profit too. But if you now want to trade it on, say you want to long term, you are holding it as a long term. You know this coin because this one is 22 days. You want to hold it as long term, maybe you know quite well, maybe you want to hold it as long term. Because you want to hold it as long term does not mean you just buy anywhere. No, you still buy below that 0.6. Let's say you now buy around 4.5 million. You are holding it as long term and you already have it mad that if the coin gets maybe like 20 or 40 million market cap, you will sell. That means you will be selling at 10x profit. 10x of profit. Okay. So, but what you should not do in that scenario is that at this 0.618, even if you see confirmation to buy, at this 0.618, let's say you want to hold it for nothing, I do not expect you to buy with all your money once. Let's say you have about $20 to invest on it. I wouldn't advise you to use the $20 once because remember that we still have all these demands right here. Since you are not trading to make profit instantly, you are trading to to hold for long term. But if you want to make profit instantly, no problem. But there's still need for you to learn how to set stop loss automatically, which I will do in next video. I will teach you guys that one. But let's say you want to trade long term, that's where DCA comes in. DCA, dollar cost average. Means you are buying small, small. Maybe you have $20 to invest. You can first say, okay, for around this region, I will buy maybe $5 worth first. Then let's say this is another next demand. The If price come to this demand, you can still say I'll buy another $5. Now, let's say price come down to this one again to you buy under $5, making $15. Now, let's say price come to this one to finally you buy under $5, making $20. Now, you might think that all this one you buy here you've lost. No, because you are dollar cost average. The more price for your $5 you're using to buy is more. Because when price fall from here to this place, you use $5 to buy, you will have more quantity than this. And let's say price fall again, you buy $5, you have more quantity than this and this. Let's say price fall again, you have more quantity here for $5 than this, than this, than this. If you can't, if you sum up everything together, now if price let's say fall all the way from here like this, and you've now buy with the old $20, $5 each, and probably maybe you are not happy that the coin has fallen too bad. Now you are not really at loss. The reason is because if you see that the market will still move a bit, if the market just moves small like this, all the ones you this year you buy from here, buy from here, buy from here, buy from here. This small movement from here to this place, because you were buying little little, this small movement from here to this place a bit, because price will move before it still die. Trust me, even if price fall like this, a day is coming, price will still move a bit. But that small movement you pull back alone, I'm telling you, it will put you in profit. You can now sell off everything and go to another coin and say, no, this coin is about to die. Shey you get? So because you DCA, you get. Let's say you buy from here, you buy 2,000 units for $5. Price fall to this point, you buy $5 more. It might be that at that point in time you've already buy 4,000 units what you buy $5 now. Plus the 2,000 here, 6,000. Let's say price now for here. At this place you buy 8,000 units. Imagine you plus it with the 6 around there. 8,000 plus 6, you are now in 14. Okay? So let's say this 6 now 4. Maybe for here now, you buy 12,000 for that $5. If you add it to the 14, that is 26. So imagine price now move a bit, you will be in profit, small profit. So You see, it will now close everything. That's why this year is good. So if you want to hold for long term, I don't expect you to around 0.6 to now use all your money to buy. No, divide the money into four. So that means anybody that want to buy long term, I don't expect to say you want to buy long term project, you are now using $1 or $2. You are joking. If you divide $2 into four, that means around this place you want to buy with how much? You want to buy with how much? 0.5, Abi. It's your choice, anyways. I won't discourage you. All right. So if price still fall again to the demand, so for it, before you divide the money, look at the number of demand that is below 0.618. Okay. So I don't expect to start looking at demand using 15 minutes or 30 minutes. No, except the chart is clear for you to use it. Consider this chart is too noisy. That's why we stick to 1 hour. Even the 1 hour we are using, you can see it's still noisy. But if you adjust to 4 hours, 1 hour, it will start becoming clear. Imagine we now go to 15 minutes to go and be look, we want to draw demand there. But you see that the more we go up, the more the chart will be clean. If I go to 2 hours, the chart becomes cleaner. You see it. See 2 hours is still clean. You see 2 hours is still clean. You see it. So that sometimes when I come to 2 hours here, I could not see demand that fully sit below this 6 1. That's why I go down to 1 hour. So if I still go to 4 hours, you see that 4 hours still become more cleaner. You see that 4 hours becoming all the noise is disappearing and the 4 hours becoming cleaner. And to you guys that have our course, you know what this volume stands for. Okay. I know how to use it for your advantage to know whether this coin is strong. So you can see now that 4 hours is becoming clearer. So if you go to 8 hours, you can see that 8 hours is still clear. You see 8 hours is now clear as well. But you can see that price respect that is 0.618 and push back. You can see it for this log. So you can see that's how you will be. Now, if I should go to 12 hours, you see that some demand will I told you the higher you go, some demand will disappear. You can see now say in 12 hours now, look at the demand there. Look at the demand there. See it. So that is how to go about. Let me just clear all this. You can see it. The price came to 0.61, it reacted and go to that 0.5. So if I thought price might still continue to the upside though, because all the way when price was tapping for the past 22 days, price has not made a drastic movement. I think the first drastic movement price made and pushed back was from this guy here, this low, to this first guy right here. See, and price almost touched 0.6, but it could not. Price did not come below it. Remember I told you that price must come below 0.618 when price first got here, when the first movement happened. And where was the demand? Look at the demand right here. Look at the demand right here. But because this is 12 hours, by the time we go to 4 hours, you see that the demand will be different. The demand would have reduced. You see it in 4 hours, this should have been the demand last red candle, this candle right here. And you see the price almost, but price would not come here. You see, but price push up again. That means price came to all the way to what? 4 million, let's just 4 million. And price pushed to how many million? Price pushed to 12.8, almost 13 million. I am priced it about 3x plus. So the strategy works. Just understand the last video, watch this video and understand it. So that is it for this law. That's how to hold buy coin that has been, that can potential with 100x, because this coin chart is strong. Look at this. This is 4 hours. So look at how strong it has been holding for the past 22 days. Look at one day. If you look at 1 day chart, each candle represents 1 day. Imagine this candle represents 1 day. How many red can you see here? Just 1, 2, 3, 4. Then all this drastic pullback that is happening to the premium discount level, to the discount level 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 red candle alone out of all these greens. How many green do we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Now remember, it is because of price trying to pull back to discount level. That's when you see all this drastic red. If not, now small red we have. That means buyers overwhelm supply. That's that this coin is a strong coin. This law token you see here is a very, very strong coin. Right? If you need the contact address, you can let me know and I will drop it for you guys within our Telegram group. Now, if you come here now, you see, yeah, and one thing again, I told you that always check whether sometimes some coin might have this boost. This thing is called boost. This boost is very expensive. Let me show you something. So that you know that these guys have money. Now, to know whether the coin is being boosted, look at the side of it. See this boost. Now, if the coins now have ads beside that, is to tell that they are still running ads for the coin again. But this one do not have ad, but this one have boost. Now, you see this boost you see here. This boost you see right here is very, very expensive. Let me show you. See boost here. Just click on this boost. If I click on this boost, you will see it. Can you see say give LOL a boost? Showcase your support, boost trading score, and unlock the golden ticker. See, 10x boost for 12 hours to boost the coin 10 times for to 10 times. Want to boost it 10 times for people to see for 12 hours it costs $99. If you want to boost a coin for 30x low 30 times, you want to within the 12 hours, it costs 249. If you want to boost a coin for 50x for 12 hours alone, it costs 399, approximately just say $400. Now, if you want to give a coin 100x boost, see, it costs how much? 899. That is about not $900. That coin. Now, if you now see any coin with 500x boost, that means that coin, those people behind that coin get bastard money. How much did you see? $4,000. Most coin I see that they use this boost for, it's going to be say those people want to go all in massively to promote the coin and dump later on. But if you're able to catch those kind of coin on time, if they just quickly launch and they have 500x boost, quickly jump on it. If you know how to, if you've already understand the first video I did, or most especially particularly for those of you with the meme coin course that have our confirmation strategy, you know that our confirmation strategy for the meme coin course is faster than the one of the free. I already told people before there that 500x boost, if you see it on the coin and the coin is new, jump on it because you will make massive money from that coin before they dump, because they will not want to dump instantly now, because how will they pay $4,000 and start and dump instantly? And those kind of coin will pump massively. A lot of people, because DexScreener will push it to a lot of people. You can see the amount. $4,000 is to, so when you now see 500 boost on the coin, just know that coin will pump massively. If you're able to catch it on time, jump on it and look at an example of it. What did you see here? What did you see here? 530 boost. What did you see here? 7 hours ago. Did you see it? See what I was just saying now. You know, we say, no, see, 2000%. What did I see? What do you see here? What do you see here? 7 hours ago. See, market cap. So it will pump. See money. See money people are used to buy. See the orders. 200. Can you see it's pumping? 7 hours ago. You see what I was just saying? I know about these things because you see this 530 boost you see here. Do you know how much it cost to? That is, these guys paid $4,000 for this thing. This coin was launched 7 hours 41 minutes ago. Look at how it continued pumping. Look at liquidity is locked. $82 liquidity. Market cap is 98. Volume 1.5 million. 7 hours ago. Look at this coin. Loot. Loot. See the treasure. Loot. See. Can you see how it's pumping? Can you see money? See greens. I mean, see greens overwhelming sales. How many red did you see here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 15 minutes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Look at nice volume. Those people in the with the course understand what this volume means. As I said, you get the course. Can you see the boost? You see the boost? The coin itself has not even make massive pullback to the discount level. It has not yet. I'm telling you the truth. Because look at this. Oh, this thing has not really load. So can you see how the coin has been pumping? If you bring it to one day, because this coin is just 7 hours, it's not up to a day, you can see it. See no pullback. See. In fact, I don't, you see, okay, see what I was saying. 5:30, they are now running ads now. See it. See it. See it. They are now running ads. See ads. They still bought a boost. So do you know how much they spent? They bought a boost that cost $4,000. They are still now running ads on DexScreener. Do you know how much ads is on DexScreener for this coin? Can you see how people are using money to buy it? See now, see it. How many percent did you see it before? 2K, yes. If you see it, see here, 3,000. This coin is just 7 hours. And liquidity is locked. See, if I should pick 15 minutes, is what if I should pick 1 hour, look at how 1 hour is look like. See 1 hour. If you select 1 hour, see volume now. Those that Memecoin Academy knows that Memecoin course know what this thing means. See volume now. See only just one red. That means in 1 hour, this coin has not even see if we should draw our fee from here. This coin has not even pulled back to 0.618%. It's still going. See, if this coin get to this place to 1.5 million here, if it gets to 1.52 million here, all right, that means our 0.618 on 1 hour fee will be here, because see this coin is 7 hours It's better you go to a time frame that will let you draw your fib very well, that is clearer. I can see that this point is clearer. And this candle, this kind of candle, those guys, those people with our meme coin course understand what this thing means. If they see red inside this thing, you understand what it means. I explained it in the course. So see now, see money did they buy? See person don't comot 1,100. Now, if you want to know how much somebody invested in a coin, look at this guy. If you want to know how much this person invests in this coin, if you click on this thing here, all this thing you see, this marker here is about the person. Let me, if I want to see what how much this guy is paying, all I just need to do is quickly click this thing beside his name. Let me quickly click it. See it. Oh shit. Oh no. This thing here, this one here. Oh, the thing is too fast. I will click on this pump beside this icon here, this icon. Where is the guy sef? I want to show you guys something. This is the guy. If you click it, if you click it, you see as I click that icon, it will bring me this kind of icon beside that place, beside the guy, but you have to be fast. It will take you to see the amount the guy invested, and you will see it is green, all this green. See, 5 hours ago, 5 hours and 59 minutes, the guy first bought $132.87. Then, okay, 6 hours ago, he bought 132, he still bought another one. So total he bought a total of about $107 in total. That is what he bought. $107 in total. That is what he bought. He bought loot. You see it. After I bought it, you see it. There is the total number of coin he bought. Can you see if you add it together that I tally with this? 6,000, 6 plus 3, 9. You see it. Now, this guy made profit of what? 1,103.2. So you see it. Now, when we click on this transaction, this funnel, this thing beside this transaction there, you see it. Look at places he bought. Look at this mark on this chart here. This mark on this chart here represents the region he bought. Now, he bought around April 10. All right. What is today's date? Yes, April 10. Around what time? 6 hours ago. You see it. He bought another one here. You see it. He first bought 75. You see it. You see the two he bought. You see it. He bought one at 570K market cap. He bought another one. You see it. You see it. He bought another one too at around 700, 710. He now just sold. He made $110. That means he has made. So you see it. Look at it. See it. He invested $200 and he made back 1,000. So he has made $900 in profit back. Hi, Jesus Christ! Look at the amount of soul he made. He invested about 2 point something soul, and he made 13 soul back. Come on, people they make money. Oh. Now this kind guy now, do you know what I would do? I will copy his wallet address. I will copy his wallet address. I want to go and track it. I want to be tracking his wallet address. All right. This is his marker. I want to go and track his wallet address. Yes, because it's a way. All right. I think I will create a different video on how to track wallet address for you guys. Okay. But I want to track his wallet address. Look at his total value. See it. See it. But the issue with him is that it might be that he's creating separate wallet to be trading these coins. Because some of them are smart. They will never use their real wallet address. This is wallet address here. So I want to go and track it. But then, from what I can see from here, how many token is it trading? Okay, he has been trading different kind of coin. Orange Man, Franklin, the Turtle, With. Okay, he's cashing out. Okay, because these are his transactions. Let me see his transfer, whether he transfer any money. You see, he made close account. You see loot. You see the loot he just bought. He cash out the loot. See, he don't transfer the money, come out. You see am? He has made his money and he has transferred the money out of the wallet. Can you see it? Close account. He has transferred the money. See, he just made the money 5 minutes ago. 5 minutes ago, when he closed his money, people they make money from coins. So Jesus Christ, this guy, he has transferred the money out. But I will track where he transferred the money to. I will track it because he has withdrawn the money. So He has closed the account, he has transferred the money. This is his wallet address, B2, it ends with KBOP, KBOP. So he has transferred this money, but I want to track where he sent the money to. See when he created the account. You see amount he invested, you see when he created the account. See when he wow, loot. People are making money. Oh. Okay, I don't want this video to be long. Let me just continue. But I will trace it. I want to trace where he sent the money to because he has sent the money out. Swap for loot success. This is his wallet, but he sent the money transfer. I will trace the wallet address. I will trace it later. But I don't think he has. Let me see whether he bought other coins too aside loot. I just want to check something whether he bought other coins aside loot. 9 days ago, I think he's creating new wallet to be trading. He does not want to leave traces. Anyways, no wahala now. I never get in time. Anytime I get in time, I will track him. All right. So, but then that is just it. Okay. You see what I was saying. This guy make money. So that's like if we click the funnel close to his this thing. So now that we are now here, we want to see our transactions again. Okay. So that what I will do is I will click on this thing right here. You can see this is his wallet address. You can see this is wallet address. You see it. Then I'll click on clear. To clear it, you see this marker here. Click on it. Clear the wallet address. Okay, so that you will come back to these transactions and be seeing people again, all the transactions. But you can see that in the last 1 hour, you can see this thing are running at 530 boost, serious money. Now, if you come to 5 minutes, because I was in 15 minutes before, now if you come to 5 minutes, you can see 5 minutes. Now, in 5 minutes, you see that we've not even had any major pullback to 0.618. Honestly, we've not. Because let me click on this full stuff here. Am I recording? Okay. Let me click on this full stuff here. If you should start from here, like I already told you guys how to start. Let's say we start from here. We measure from year to year. From year to year. We do not have demand there. From year to year, the price pull back 0.6. Yeah, come on. If we don't catch this thing, to say we catch it on time when it started. So the day started trading, that was today. That was when this coin started trading around this point, 10th of April, 7:20 in the morning. Now, price make movement to 0.6 here, but not below. Okay, remember I told you that it has to be below. All right. Although price came there, is not below anyways. But then we have a other block here, see, which price came and touch it anyways. When price came and touch it, imagine we catch it sometime. We now leave moon back. So you see it, but price will continue to the upside. Yeah, price has not pulled back drastically. You see it will continue. Yeah, price still not pull back. Then yeah, price still not pull back. Then yeah. You see where price go to now. So these guys are spending that kind of big money. And if these guys are spending that kind of big money, why would somebody go and spend that kind of big money to promote meme coin? A meme coin that was created today, they buy boosts of 4K, they still pay for art. What do you think? They will dump. You see this coin. Like if I don't want to hold this coin for long term, or you want to consider it for long term, you have to wait for after 1 day or 2 days to see the outcome whether I no go die. But for the time being, because this coin has spent 7 hours, if at all we want to trade it, we should just use what we should have it at the back of our mind that this coin can dump on us anytime because we did not catch it on time. As long we catch on time when it just launched now, that one is different. But 7 hours, that does not mean we cannot make money because you can see this is 0.618 below here. That means below here, we want to start targeting demand below. And where are the demands? All these demands here. You can go to 3 minutes to see the demand properly. So all the demands below are here. So if I want to target this thing here, this will be my demand, which is below 0.618 here. This guy right here. That will be what I will be targeting price to come back to. For this kind of coin here, that's what I'll be targeting. Okay, for this kind of coin, this is what I'll be targeting. Okay, then we still have this demand there too, below 0.786. This is another demand I will target. Okay, then for this one, and this one has been mitigated down. Then the last demand I'll be targeting will be something around there, around the 0.9 demand will be around there. All right. So these are the three demands I'll be targeting. All right. So I will expect price because since they are paying for boost, this coin might still pump. You can see might still pump to 2 million, 3 million, 4 million. All right. But I still have to have it at the back of my mind that because the person paid for huge boost, you know, since he paid for huge boost, they fit dump on me. Oh, the liquidity and this thing is nice. So if I put money, I know say I'm willing to. There are sometimes I'll buy a coin that I'm willing to lose my money. Because I know say if you pay off for me, I make money. So I will just not every time, but sometimes I can just come. I don't zero my mind and say, okay, I won't lose this money. And when I buy the coin, I won't even take a 50% this thing. I won't even use this trend-based fee like this. Like this. I will not. I'll be targeting up, say I won't lose this my money. That is me for you. Because you know this two fib type I configured. I think those people that bought our course, you know that aside this normal fib, there's another fib I did that has something up layer. I don't know, maybe I did it in the free video anyways. So sometimes I'll just leave it that I want to see what won't happen, whether the coin will die or pay off. Because sometimes you might hit jackpots, you just pay off. This kind of coin, it might not have pull. I'm telling you the truth. It might come back here now, give me entry now. It will just say this coin will just be good, just 7 million. And if you comes to this place and give me confirmation below 0.618 around there, that's about 391k market cap. You can't enter 7 million. You know what that is? That means at 3.8 million is 10x for me. If you can't enter 7 million or 8 million, that's 20x for me. Shey you get me now? Imagine say I can't even put $10 for 20x. That is $200 for me, which is about almost 300,000 naira from just $10 investment. So you get. So they pay for boost. They might not open now. Because why would they when the boost and the halves will last for 24 hours and the coin is just 7 days, 7 hours old? They see how many hours to go. Sure you get. So they've taken a lot of money, but the chart is looking good, the volume is looking good. You can see it. All right. So that's exactly of what I was explaining to you. Okay, when I spotted the seeds, these guys, you see exactly see them. They have boost. They still have ads. You see it. Those kind of coins, if you catch them early, imagine that when we catch it when it just launched, and that's when they quickly pay for this thing. The boost is too much. You will hardly see 500 boost. You will still be seeing 100, 10. 10 is easy to do. You see it. 100, 30, 30. You will not see. You will not see to see 500 e no easy. You can still be seeing 100 and some coin will not pay for boost and they will blow. Shey you get. Some look at this coin W coin. See W coin, e did not pay for boost, only 10 boost 8 hours ago, and e pump. You see it, 810k percent 8 hours ago, and it pumped. Shey you get. 19.7 million 8 hours ago. Solana o. Liquidity is just 58k market cap o, but I no know, maybe it's not scam o. I doubt it if it can be scam coin. It's not scam, it cannot be scam and be here. You see what I'm telling you, say if you hit jackpot 8 hours ago, see it, 8 hours ago, it hit 90, not even 90 million, it hit, see am, e hit 70.59 million. Why you telling me? That's meme coins for you. They are not running out, so see it, just boost 10. See winner, congratulations. You want to be taking meme coin and be playing, master it. The more you sit down with Memecoin, that's why you get the Memecoin course, learn what I teach there, sit down on your screen and sometimes have your time and be watching. There are some coin you will hit jackpot. Some coin zero your mind, say omo I wan lose this money, I wan lose this money. I will put it, I will take partial profit and leave the rest. This coin hit 70 million. E started the way with now for this coin to hit 70 million. See, for this coin to hit 70 million market cap, that means this coin started from here, from see. It started from here. Look at it. It started from here. From here, look at it. It started from like that my filter I gave to you guys in the last video. That filter I gave to you, will have seen it there if you sit down with it 8 hours ago. Calculate 8 hours ago. What is 8 hours ago? It's still today now. 8 hours ago is today now, around 6 a.m. today. What did I tell you guys in that last video? I told you guys in that last video that coin usually pump in the middle of the night. Why? Because that is when Asian guys and USA guys come on board to push coin. Africa no get money to pump coin. Shey you get me? Na those white guys get the money. Asian guys, these Chinese, Japanese, all those guys, Asians and Americans, those are the guys that, and Europe, those are the guys that have money. So it is middle of the night because of their time zone. If you look at the time all this coin pump, all this coin you are seeing that is pumping now, you will always see 7 hours ago, 8 hours ago. Go and be checking it. That is what you will see. Look at this one, Gen Z. See it 22 hours ago. You always when you look at the time, if you see 22 hours ago, what is 22 hours ago? 22 hours ago is that 2 hours minus. This is 3 o'clock. 1 hour. This 1 o'clock yesterday. That was when this Gen Z launched. Look at this coin that did it. Now this coin around say, as me you sit down in that filter it gave to you, that filter of normal intraday trading, you would have discovered this coin there. Imagine you were lucky enough to discover it and look at the coin now. Look at how it pumped massively now. Look at it now. This is 1 minute now. Look at it now. Look at it. Look at it now. Look at when it launched now. Look, 712 a.m. today. Now this coin launch. Around what time? 8,000 market cap. That's when it launched. 8,000 to 70 million. If I tell say make coins can make you life changing money, calculate 8,000. Okay, we know say we know if you catch am for 8,000, right? So luckily, wetin we know if you catch am for 8,000? Yes, you might not because based on our filter, because it depends on the volume. But then at least we would have catch this maybe 41 or 31K. You see it? Now that 31K, calculate it. 31,000 divided by 70 million to know the kind of money wey we don make. Divide it. Show you so that you will know. 31 divided by 70 million market cap. Now when this coin pump finish, see it. Let's even say you no even come catch am that time. This is Fibo. If you draw your fee from here to this place, after the price coin got here, did you see that price pump to came back around to 0.618? You see it? Around 0.618, you see it? You see, say price comes 0.618. It comes to when? It comes to 12 million market cap. And pump from that 12 million market cap, it now pump to 70 million. So from that 12 million market cap to 71 million, that's how many market cap for you. That's still about 5 to 6x profit for you. Bro, money daming coins, sir. Before the thing come down, kwede. And did they pay for 530 boosts? No, they only paid for 10 boosts. Look at this loot too. That's why I tell you, they say this loot too. If it happen, man, say go do it. Mint coins, money dey, just get the knowledge. 70 million, 71 million market cap. That filter I gave to you now, Baba. If you sit down, the only thing you need is can you sit down on your PC? Because some of us might have what we are doing. So that's why I said some coin dey when you catch it like that and you make profit, don't take all your profit. Leave 25% moon bag. Even if the 25% moon bag will die, let it die. Because let's say you trade this coin around 0.5%, you take your profit, now leave 25%. That 25% can't go pump reach 70 million. Do you know how much you've made? That 25% alone fit make you pass massive money. Even if it is $5 you put in this coin to come go do 70 million market cap, do you know how much you've made today? Let's even divide it. Let's even say we entered at 34K market cap. Let's even say we entered at 34K market cap. Let me do my calculator. Calculator. 71 million, because there's 71 million divided by, let's say 40K market cap, 40,000. That means you made 1,770, 1,775x. So I no go to say person they lie. Calculator. Divide 71 million by 40,000. Let's see it. 1,775. You see am? 1,775. I told you. That means that coin did, let's say that 40K. You know, most of the coin we used to catch maybe 40K, 60K. That means that coin did 1,775. Do you know what that means? That means if you put $1, you would have made $1,775. Now that means even if you put $5, let's not say you put $5. Do you know, times it now, times 5. That means you've made $8,875. Let's even say you put $5, you can't take Mumbai, you can't leave 25%. And remember, say that 25% Mumbai will leave. If you say that 25% will be maybe like that kind $1 now it go be the Mumbai where you live. Or maybe even if it is 50 cents, be the Mumbai where you live, 50 cents, 0.5, you go still make $887 profit. That is what meme coins can give to you. But you don't start from learning. You have to learn first. Now look at this one now. They boast it. They are still doing this thing now. You see it? So, bro, that is how it is. So, okay. So I won't be able to analyze the minimum because of time is going. Now you can look at this spike to which it was part of this coins we saw here. These coins we saw here. All these coins you saw here. Look at this spike was among them. You see this spike too. And when I checked one day, look at it. When I check one day, this is 22 days ago, 13, for the one want to go for long term. See, when I check one day, can you see that this coin just 2 days ago, it has been pumping. It has not even pulled back massively. Look at people are really buying it. See, and it's 4 point something million. You see, this kind of coin have reach 70 million, 80 million in the future. If you hit 70 million, 40 million, that is 10x. 80 million, that is 20x. Because look at a single coin within 7 hours, it's 70 something million. So you see this coin now, it never even pull back at all. One day. So, but we cannot trade one day now. You can navigate to maybe 4 hours. You can see 4 hours here. It's still not really clear. This thing, you see 4 hours that people are not, buyers overwhelm sellers. And when buyers overwhelm sellers like this, that's to tell you, says, this coin is strong, gone. People are not really selling like that. Here you get, see it now. We now come to 1 hour. See, even in this 1 hour now, you can see when I draw my fib, you can see this is 0.6 below. Now I have to look for demand below 0.6. I could not get the demand even in 1 hour, so I have to go to 30 minutes. Even in 30 minutes, I still could not see a demand comfortably below 0.618. You see, then I now went to 15 minutes. Now these are the instances you can go to 15 minutes. Now finally in 15 minutes, I now see a demand here. See a demand sitting here. Now around this place, I told you that to configure your 0.9, I have to configure my 0.9. Okay, so see it. You can see that the demand is sitting below around 0.9%. So now if I want to buy this coin, I'll be buying below 0.618. So I'll be buying here, except the coin falls all through to this point, which is around 835k market cap before I can buy this coin. So in that case, that's when this my next video will come out. So that in my next video, you learn how to set limits. So that in coin like this, if you want to set limit for coins like this, because if a coin can afford to 90%, nothing to worry about now. Just money you can afford to lose now. With this issue, you know the fear again now, because the coin is already around 90%. So imagine for 90% is the coin come back to 5 million. Do you know how much that is, or it pump up? Because all this kind of coin they are the coin that will pump during bear run, when bull run, right? They have strong buyers and community. That does not mean some of them cannot die, but then that's when we will buy this coin because it is the demand below 0.618 comfortably sitting below it, and the demand that is comfortably sitting below it is the only this one here. Okay, so the only again that can make me around this demand around there is if price still pump to the upside. Now if I now see that price pump to the upside again, let's say price pump to the upside again here, and I now adjust this thing again here to this side. Let's say price now from here again pump to the upside like this, and I've adjusted the thing here. Now I can now know that okay, my demand of 0.618, there's now demand sitting down comfortably around there like this. Okay, I can now say, okay, there's a demand sitting here comfortably like this. I can now target here, and my target will no longer be here. But then I will see this here. I'm not going to buy once. Okay, so I will now that okay, my demand is good. So, like I said, if this six fail, then I'll go for this. That is if you want to hold for long term. All right, but see this coin. So that is it. And see the other one to 9 hours ago. You see this one too. This one. See this one too. 9 hours ago, see this one. And this 1% you are seeing 22 hours ago, it might be that they pump more than that too. But look at this coin. So a single meme coin could change your life. I'm telling you the truth. All right, I'm telling you the truth. And this is just only on Solana. By the time we go to base network, but don't worry, like I said, you have a lot to learn in this channel. I'm still going to go one day to base. I will do a video on base token. So I have a lot of videos to still do for you guys to learn from. So base meme coin to base and Solana are one of the two hottest blockchain that you can trade meme coins on. Right? So you can see it. Imagine you catch just one of this one day. Are you not made? Just imagine say a catch. Now I say any meme coin you are trading, intraday trading, please always leave moon bag. You never can tell. Imagine you left your moon bag and go. If you remove 75%, let 25% either make it or die. Because one day you go hit jackpot, that 25% moon bag you leave will go and blow. Imagine say that 25 na go do this thing. You have made it. You have made it. Because if that one alone give me like 8,000, 5,000 or 2,000, $3,000, and that is one of the reason of group stuffs, so that if some people are busy, some people can sit down with it and that is just it anyways. But if you take what I'm teaching for granted, it's on you. And the best thing for you is to get a meme coin, because like I've said, no knowledge is a waste. But I sure you already know our confirmation strategy. I won't be talking about it. I've given you examples. Is the one of LOL. Use the one for these two if you get your this thing there. But it's at the same way if you want to buy long-term coin, this is how to discover them with that filter I gave to you. The same thing happened to this one. Look at this guy too. 7 days. See his market cap. See transaction volume. You can see that this one too has come below 0.618, but this is 12 hours. You can see, but this is 618 now. You see it, but under the 618, we start looking. Let's go to 4 hours so that there's a demand there. Yeah, there's a demand. You can see this demand right here. Price reacting from this demand and it has done double bottom. But then you can then clearly go to 2 hours to see it clearly, or 1 hour. If that one is not clear to you can clearly go to 1 hour. All right. Okay, you can see this is 1 hour here, but just like if you go to 1 hour, this will be your 1 hour demand there. Right, so it will look, that will be your 1 hour demand. But you can see that they are all below 0.61. You can see this will be your 1 hour demand right here. Okay, so you see this your 1 hour demand right here. The price has come back here and price has done the bottom here. If you look at this, look at it, because if you go to 2 hours, you can see price has done double bottom right here. Price touch this red, last red, price push away, price still come back and touch that last red, then now form a green candle. Then if after you want to enter, you'd have entered, then immediately the double bottom. But where will your stop loss? Your stop loss must be below this last red here, this higher low here, which is how many percent? 44%. Now that is if you want to trade it based on the way we want to quickly take your profit in intraday. Oh, let's say you want to trade this long term through like that too. Then you bring your gambles from this low to this up to this place, price take you in. Then you will know that 50% is where you are getting out first, or a bit above it. That is, you will make 155% of your money. You know now that this one now is with peace of mind. This one now be with peace of mind, because this one is a long-term coin. This one now, it has been trading since 7 days and nice volume. You see it now. But you can see the demand, the price never touch am. But then because you came to 1 hour, but if it was 2 hours, then price has already touched the demand. You see it. If it was 2 hours, price already touched the demand, because this is the demand there in 2 hours. See it. See, price don't touch the demand already. And you can see the demand is below 0.61. You see it. Price don't already touch the demand already. See it. See it. So this is your zero point 0.5 around here. Since the price don't already touch the demand, let me just, so if you're watching the video, watch clearly and watch again. This is for the long term. So you can even trade long term and be using it to make money, like intraday, the way we are using the normal one to make money. But it's just like this one, I will give you peace of mind. Say, this one, oh, you are trading a coin that, you are trading coin that it has been trading for 7 days. So not no fear of that. Say this one feel rock pull, oh, shey you get. So for example, you still target your take profit at 0.5 and get out. I'm telling you, because we have peace of mind. Why? Because this is below 0.6 and look at the demand. Price has come there. When price first touch it, we never enter first now. Never do double bottom. Price came back. Price must not break the bottom. You see price break the bottom again, you wait. Price push back again. Then you wait for price come and touch it. So from here now, since you see that this one now, this region now is the demand region, you can go to 1 hour to look for a clearer for this thing to be clearer to. But you can see that price push away, price now finally come back and touch the red again. Then price now give you one green and you now enter. Okay, you can see 1 hour here now. Like I said, you should get the new coin course. You understand better. So you see it now. We are still seeing this guy as the demand of the 1 hour of the 12 hour, but you can see that immediately price touch, push away. You wait again because this is the last red here. That price, when price touch, the price push away. Then price came back and touch that last red. So you mark that red. Okay, you mark this last red. You see it. Price came back and touch that red. It did not break. It must not break it. Remember that this one, oh, price break it, but this one, when price came back to touch it, price did not break it. See that price is not break it. You see price not break it. Green now show, you now enter. Your stop loss should be where? It will be below this higher low here. That's where you should put your stop loss. Alright. So that is if you want to trade based on our intraday trading. Oh, you want to trade the long term, all this BB coin of 7 days with it, then you target here. Now this will give you what? This will give you 155% of your money with peace of mind. Because you know, say this one now all the 7 days, no be the coin we just launched 29 minutes ago. Say if you say in the next 1 minute, if you rock pull. So this one now you can put your stop loss here. That's if you want to do it as trading, but then the next video I will show you how to do automatic stop loss and take profit. Okay, so that if you put your stop loss here, if price take you out, you will not say now just 44% of your money you are losing. Okay, still now just 44%, 44% of your money you are losing. And if price take you out, the next demand there is this. But then if you want to trade it as a long term coin, with no one fear, then you don't need to put stop loss here. Okay, you just enter first here, you DCA. If price come here, you buy, you join more to it. Let's say you want to buy $20. You split your money into for $5, $5 here. If price take you out $5 here, but if price not take you out from here, and maybe price now come back here. If you want to take your profit, no problem. But if you want to hold it for long, if you believe that price can still do 7, 10 million, no problem. Sure, you get the choice is yours. So, but me, I'm to teach you how to get coins that is capable of doing 100, 10x, 20x over the time that are strong, that will still give you peace of mind compared to a daily coin that just rock pull anyhow. But these ones are strong. Can see price already reacted from, and see it's moving already. Sure, you get. So like that. See this one own too now. This one don't do it, don't pump. You see this one too. The same thing to 3.3 million. You can see this one has been pumping for the past 24 hours. You can see 17 days ago too. You see then that you see why I like them. If you go to one day, you see that this coin is not just dump anyhow. No, these are not going to dump. You see point pump. What you do see here, if you bring out your fee from this lowest point here to this highest point that price first gets from here, what you do see, price came down to below 0.618 and pumped to the upside. It came as low as 521k market cap, then pump. You can see it here now back to 3.5 or 3.6 million, almost going to 4 million. You see, that's almost price going to go and do 10x. So you see this one now that I just give to you guys, it will give you peace of mind with that filter I gave to you. So if you want to trade based on this, you want to be holding, you will still be making your know how, you will still dey see 5x, 10x, 20x, with peace of mind. Shey you get, with peace of mind. I'm not saying some of them will not die, but see this 17 days, if this coin wan easily die, e go don die since the first day they launch am now. 17 days, you see it, you see it. So, but yeah, it pulls back below my fib level. So you see that my fib is strong, that the strategy I teach you guys is strong. And how do you know? Now you can't just draw, you have to mark your demand below this 0.618, okay? So you first I'd like come to 4 hours. I'll come to 4 hours and see whether there are demands there below 0.618 that price came to. Now you see in these 4 hours now, price is not this demand there. His body is outside 6 and it's still inside. So I will not go for that one. So you go to 1 hour, go to 2 hours. All right. You see, in 2 hours now, was there demand below 0.618 comfortably? Yeah, we have demand there sitting comfortably below 618 here. See this demand. It's even around 0.786. See, it's sitting comfortably below 0.7 because since it's in the line of 0.786, I told you guys in the last video I will count it as below 0.618. Okay. Now look at it. Look at where the price comes to 0.618. So you see it here. Now let's even say you want to look for your comfort. You see 1 hour. If you come to 1 hour, you will see it clearly. See in 1 hour clearly. See it in 1 hour clearly. So when you are watching this video, watch this video in full screen mode, okay? You see the last down candle here in the 0.6786. It's even in the 0.786. You see it. Immediately price just come there. Look at it. Let's say we enter here and our stop loss is below here. Below here. That's 28%. I told you can reach 30%. You see it. And what is it? 566. See it. So what I was talking with confidence. So now see it. Let's even say you want to target your 0.50% is what you want to take. You draw your fee from here to here that the price come to. This will be your 0.5 now. This will be your 0.5 here, which is about 202%. That is X3 of your money. You see it. But if you now want to target, you want to long term now, you're holding it. It would have been 541% of your money. That is 551% of your money. That is 5x. That's what I was talking about. That is 5x, almost 6 years of your money. Because you put $10, you would have made $54 profit. All right, 5x of your money. You would have made $54 from just $10 investment alone. You see, 5 times of your money. You can see all of them. That all of this filter I gave to you, they are already in profit. So it will give you confidence. Okay, it will give you confidence. Okay, it will really, really give you, confidence. And you can see that it's the same filter. It's still the same strategy I taught you guys the last one, but this filter is different now. You can see that this one will give you confidence because this coin has been traded 17 days ago. But you have to understand that it is not 17 days ago that these guys did this thing. Oh. You see that around this year when it pulls back, it might be that it was about, because to know when this thing do this, you can come back to one day and count the candle to know when it actually did it. Right? If this is 17 days ago, it was launched. Today is the day 17, which is this candle is day 17, this candle is day 16, this candle is day 15, day 14, day 13, day 12, day 11. day 10, okay, day 9, 9 days ago. And then this coin come there. But the idea is to be looking at it and monitor anyone that, any chart that has not yet pulled back. There are still some chart I just show you guys that has not pulled back below 0.618. Your own job is not to go and map out the clearest demand below 0.618. And you can set your limit there. Since it's for long term, you don't need to be scared of even setting stop loss for itself. You don't need to be scared. Now, if you want to hold it for long term, you want price to come back to the top. Why are you scared? If I was the one in this kind of scenario now, I'm not go set stop loss. So shey you get, because it's long term now. I want to set it. I don't zero my mind. Say anything you want to me stop, because I'm not trading coin based on that day. So I will just set my limit, leave am. If you activate am, e come back here. I don't make my money now. I put let's say I put $20. E come here 5x. Put $20, 5x. I don't make my money, and within how many days? Shey you get? See it, and we can still continue going. You can hit 10 million, 30 million. Because these guys are strong. All right, 17 days ago. So that is how you be seeing. So some of these coins you see here too, some of them will survive. Some of these coins you see around there, some of them will survive. If you continue checking, some of them will survive. All right, and they will pull back. So there are so many of them that have not even pulled back. Look at this one too. Milkas is still here to pull back his own. So I can just set my limit and leave it. If he pulls back and continue, if he pull back, I leave it, because this one too is 7 days ago. If he pull back, for example, like that, I just leave it and target this up here to be going. And around this up here, if you give me almost 6s, I'll just leave it for 6s. See, 6s here. Or leave it to be going. If you just take me in, I'll just set my limit, I'll forget it. Shey you get? So then, but if you want to look for confirmation, is the confirmation I've already told you. It's simple. Let's say this is the demand, price touch it, immediately price touch it, don't enter yet. You will see that price push away, immediately price push away. Where is the last red candle before price push away? Wait for price to come and touch that last red candle again. If price touch it but could not break here, and a green candle now show acting like it's going, if the green candle close, you can now enter, and you can put your stop loss below the higher low down here. That is all. So go and practice. If you don't have money, it's not a must you use money to enter. Just monitor, practice, and see whether it plays out or not. Shey you get? So another thing again you should check again, which I will not be able to show you here, is, see, you will see you can check their Twitter out. Right? You can click on their Twitter to see how many these people are following them. You see this Twitter, right? You can click their Twitter, right, to see how many people is following them. Right? Some of them have Telegram. So anyone, but I won't advise you to go and join a Telegram, please, because of scammers. I don't check all of this. I don't join all of those things. But you can check it out to see what is happening in their group. But I want to beg you, you have to be careful with Memecoin's group. Now who must you see our own self say no be Memecoin, na just Web3. See scammer. Memecoin group scammer plenty. They will come to you in the name of the deal. Some of them will start sending you messages. Some of them will start posting different coin side of it that this one will pump. If you get carried away and say this one will pump, say some of you know the hear word. I'm warning you now. Be careful. If you go to their, I don't join a Telegram group, because you go to see series of things. You go to jump on this coin. Tell you some people act as div, as if they are the div. If you go for say person talk and go dey buy, well, now here you go dey where I go dey laugh you. You can't come and cry and meet me now. I've warned you. So, but I'm just giving you to show you so that you can see whether they have a good community. You can check it out yourself if they have a good community. Look at it now. They have 99 followers, but they've not posted anything. These guys have not posted anything. They just only put their contact address here. So there's nothing you want to do with this kind of thing now, right? Another thing you should always share community sentiment. Look at all this place. You see people these people are showing reaction. Some little red flag, but you can see a lot of people are showing reaction. The reaction is much. You see it fire this thing. So if you look at all of these things too, look at the reaction is great. All what we don't want this red flag to be much more than all these two reactions. This one, some people are calling it pull. Okay, so that is how it is. Okay, if you come to this spike, you see the action. We don't want red flag to be much more than their normal reaction. So if you come to all of these things, you will see reaction. Look at reaction. We don't want red flag. See this reaction, fire, fire. You don't want to see it's nice. Consider this coin now, it don't die. See, after pumping to 70 million, it seems it's dying already, because there's no point. This coin don't die. All right, so you see it. So if you see loot too. Loot too is holding his ground. See, loot too is holding his ground. It has not come to below 0.1. Look at what I'm telling you, but you have to still understand that this is still 8 hours ago. You can't compare with coins like 7 days ago, 2 days ago, 3 days ago. So this coin too can still do well. Trust me, because it might pull back massively below 0.618 or 718. If it comes to this 618 or 718, you see it push away. All right, retest, green candle, and you enter. Look at money. See money. People don't step in. Wey don't step in. See. Can you see that whale are stepping again? People are stepping to pushing again. 842, 29, 506. You see, see, you see, this country might do well, might come here now, push away, give you a confirmation. I already told you what you're looking for the free confirmation. Price touch here, price push away, identify the last red candle that caused the push away around that demand, wait for price to come and touch it but must not break it. Then if another candle show, green candle, enter. Put your stop loss at the below of the higher low or at this higher low or 30%, anyone you like. Okay, but higher low is the best of that demand. Then ride it, take your profit at 0.50%, leave 25% more back in case price continue pumping. Because these guys are they paid for ads, they still paid for these guys, these things here. All right. So that is it, okay? Hmm. Yeah, so that is it. Oh. All right. Does they have Telegram? This one does not have Telegram. They only have websites. See, okay, they only have websites and this thing. They have live stream. Let me see. Because I'm seeing live stream here. Loot. See, they have websites. They have play now. Should they get game me? If they have projects, it might actually turn out to be a good this okay. Their live stream is pump.fun. I don't do live stream on pop.fun, Jerry. Okay. They have game. Golden Miner connect with Solana wallet, Golden Miner, Pixel Loot. Okay, maybe somebody they might be minting coin. I don't want to connect my wallet to any dApp like that, Joe. This is my main wallet. Okay, so this is their website. This is their website. Okay, this is their website. Look at their website. The blockchain dungeon with you. Welcome to the Pixel Vault. This is not investing. This is loot farming. Every buy, every block opportunity. Well, the coin might actually supply 1 billion. The coin might actually turn out to be well anyway, might turn out to do well, oh, honestly, this coin. So if you are watching this video and since the coin has not gotten to 618 fib level, you can target the fib level, and if you get a confirmation, you can risk what you can afford to lose because these guys are really spending money on this thing though. See it. And if they can maintain it by run of pulling and it survives 2 days, bro, this can actually go ahead and go and do it because these guys have money. For them to pay this kind of money to boost within the first year of launch, they still run ads. They might actually mean business, but just that anybody that pay this kind of big money, sometimes they mostly don't. But they have a website and they have a staking this, they have a farming this thing. So, but then if they can maintain it, this coin might turn out to be well. So, and if this coin pull back to around 0.618 trillion, that means we'll be buying this coin around that kind 257K market cap, or even if it comes below 0.786, we'll be buying around 242 market cap, which is nice. If the coin now go and pump to 5 or 6 million, it might be a jackpot for us. But let's just still watch how it goes. If you need the contract, so that is it all guys for this video. So based on the two filters I've given to you, I've given you guys the filter of intraday trading and I've given you the filters if you want to discover the one for long term. Now the one for long term I already showed you now that you can still trade it like you want to make profit from it like the intraday trading, or if you want to hold it for long term then no problem. In my next video I will show you guys how to set limits automatic, how to set your stop loss and limit automatically so that even if you are not there you won't have to worry, okay? So that you won't have to worry. But then, with the previous filter I gave to you on intraday trading, please take it serious because you could have discovered coin like this. And I told you, a coin alone is all you need to change your life, even in the meme coin space. $1 investment on a meme coin course can change your life because, like I told you, I also be a crypto tolerant, and why meme coins is what made me massive money aside airdrop. Because after I made money from airdrop, I invested in smaller tokens. Then the profit I started seeing from those tokens, and I used money to start trading meme coins. And I have a proof. I can show you a video of 2021 of me trading meme coins each with $100 each. Shey you get me? I'll go and pull up the video and give it to you. The whole video entirely. It's obsolete. I mean, one of these days I will give you guys the video to watch. You see me trading meme coins with $100. So no be say na mouth. So what would you have led me to be trading meme coin with $100? Because the strategy was very perfect and I had a lot of money that I've made. Meme coin was making me massive money, okay? And we don't even have tools like this then. Shey you get? But then you can't compare it with now. There was no too much scam then in meme coin space, okay? But now we have too much meme scam. So decide the one you want. If you want to intraday trading or you want to hold for long term as well, then decide the kind of filters you have. What you can do is just have two Chrome profiles, okay, whereby you can use filter for one on this specific intraday filters, the long term filters, and practice. Just practice, okay? So if you don't understand, watch and watch and watch again. But if you need much knowledge and much understanding, then get our Memecoin course. It will really help you. You will derive a lot. If you want to get our Memecoin course, kindly use the link that appear on your screen to reach out to me on Telegram or on WhatsApp with the phone number that appears on your screen. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and click that bell icon to turn on notifications so that whenever we release video, you will not miss out on those videos. But I will still be covering a lot in our Telegram channel, a lot, and we are going to make money. I'm still going to be dropping meme coin gems for you guys. Trust me. I just want to ensure that I'm done with the video so that you guys can learn. Then I'll not. So when I know every one of us has gotten the knowledge, there's no excuse anymore. I'll start giving you guys meme coin signal. Trust me. You have a lot. We just started January, right? I'm just about 4 months into it. You can say I'm happy to arrange it. I'm giving you guys top class knowledge for free. But if you want to take your knowledge to another dimension, you can get the main coin course. Just $50 is nothing. How much is $50? Anyways, that is it for now. Don't forget to share these videos with your friends and family. Invite them to our groups. Okay, invite them to our groups. If you can, at least maybe if you can invite about 100 or 200 people to our groups, I can give you the main coin course for free. Anyways, bye for now.